Oh, take.
Take the Eric, did you want to make a final comment before we take a tea break and let His Holiness drink his tea?
I think not necessarily tea break. Just while we are talking, eating,
okay.
drinking. No?
Your Holiness, thank you so much. I have learned a lot. But one thing still in my heart, in the situation I mentioned earlier, how do I go beyond my own self-hatred? Because when I see somebody that killed my mother, this bad thing comes up. How do I heal myself and go beyond that?
Now, we should utilize our intelligence. Someone killed your mother. Then, in order to sort of revenge, try to kill these people, that creates more enemy. Try to talk with the killer, and you show patience and forgiveness, then that person may become also the friend of yourself. It's much better. One person who killed your friend, your mother, and try to similar way to revenge, then endless violence. Isn't it? I feel. Today's enemy, these enemy not from birth, but later, due to certain factor, you see, they become like murderer. But there is possibility, therefore, there is possibility if we create more positive atmosphere, that today's your enemy, next year may become your best friend. I think our own sort of experience, Chinese, we always consider them as a human brothers, sisters. We never ask, we never so try to build hatred. So then, number of Chinese now become our friend. That's good. And the recent sort of event, Pakistan and India, I think Indian Prime Minister mentioned India, land of Buddha, and this is showing some kind of more peaceful attitude. It is right. I think when we make decision, we have to think every side, every aspect. If we go this way, what kind of consequences? If go this way, what kind of consequences? Then analyze. Then non-violence is always bring some positive result. Violence always create more violence, suffering. And thinking deeper level, we human being, human nature is more compassionate because we are a social animal. I think the scientific sort of finding is very powerful. I feel. So sometimes, oh, yes, tea.
Changi te mojani, zamli shi de so. Lela